Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video in this channel. I'm a tech enthusiast and I'm planning to make more videos um, for more unboxings and reviews of products I own. Starting my channel, which is long awaited because the Pixel Buds 2 wireless OSO Orange variant just got open at the Google Store. So they are on sale for a retail price of $179.99 US. And So personally, I'm a huge Pixel fan, and I also own OSO Orange Pixel 4 XL. So you know why the wait for making this video. So Pixel Buds initially was announced in the fall of 2019, along with the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL. But in March 2020, only the white variant got released, and the other variants are getting slowly released. A couple days back, the OSO Orange variant got released, and I was one of the first people to order it, and I received my Pixel Buds OSO Orange a couple hours ago. And yeah, also a huge shout out to the Batman teaser trailer, the 2021 one, The Vengeance Batman, and Robert Pattinson. Great trailer, huge fan, and yeah, hence the name for the channel. So let's get quickly started with the Pixel Buds unboxing. Uh, okay, here you go, the Pixel Buds uh, in the case, and we have a few things available. Let's get started. Okay, we have the tips, the rubber tips for the Pixel board. I think these are the small and the large variant, and the medium ones are already attached. We also get the USB-A to USB-C cable used to charge these buds, and that's it. So looking by the buds and looking at the specs, the buds are fast charge capable, and yeah, let's get into the buds. Okay, it's plastic out, and yeah, okay, it's a good snap, and the buds themselves. Okay, uh, let me try to pair these buds with my Pixel. Okay, and let me open it. Okay, you see this tap to pair. Okay, and I think they're already paired. Yep. You also see the battery of the Pixel buds that's been. Okay, you see the battery displayed. So guys, ending this video, let me get back to the full review of the Pixel buds. They feel very comfortable. They're matte coated, and the buds are tiny. They're not that big, and and the magnets are in place to hold the case. The case itself is pretty tiny in the hand. So let me do a please watch out for the full review, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment for more reviews from my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.